Dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Welcome dear friends, I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, welcome to today's class, and today I'm going to teach you how to transpose chords. So what is transposing chords? Transposing chords is to change the context, the scale context of a song. Like example, imagine if a person is singing the song on a C major scale, okay? And a C major scale song may have different chords, okay? It may have a D minor, it may have an E minor, it may have an F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. So all of these chords come in the C major scale, right? Now, this is a person who's singing a song on the C major scale. Okay, so that's his legs, two hands. Okay, so, and if the same song needs to be sung by another person, but this person is going to be singing it on G major scale. And why is the person singing it on G major scale? Because probably their voice fits better on a G major scale. So, and in that context, we need to be changing the scale. Like example, for G major scale, the chords of this, the whole scale would be G major, A minor, B minor, G, A, B, C, D, D major, okay, E minor, F major, right? So we have G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F major. So to change the scale context, right? So if somebody wants to sing it on a C major scale, they can comfortably sing it on the main scale itself. But then if they have to sing the same song in another scale, because they can't sing it so low, so in that context we have to change the transposition, right? So this process of changing the chords from one scale to the other is called transposing. Okay, let me explain it to you with a song. So how does it go? So imagine a song which has C major in it, and then it has a G major, and then it has a F major. And that song, if I had to play it on the piano, it might just go C major, F major, G major, right? C major, F major, and G major. It may go like that. And then if you have to transpose it to the G major, right? So that's where the whole game of transposition comes, saying that, okay, after G major, what chord should this be? And so let me go ahead and tell you the process of transposition. Okay, so now this is going to be the most easiest way to transpose chords for any song. Okay, so to do that, first we have to take the musical alphabets. What are the musical alphabets? We have A, and we have B, C, D, E, F, and G. So these are the musical alphabets. There are notes in between these, right? That is the progression of the musical alphabets. So that is going to be A sharp. Now these are the black keys of the keyboard, okay? A sharp. Now B doesn't have a sharp. So B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E doesn't have a sharp, F, F sharp, and G, G sharp. So you just have to remember that B and E does not have a sharp, okay? So let's start with transposing. Imagine you're Googling up for a song online, and then you find the chords, and you know the chords on C major probably, right? The notes for the C major scale is C, okay, let me just write it, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now B is not mainly used, right? B can be there, but then it's a diminished chord which not many pop songs have it, so we'll not have that right now. So the notes for the C chord is what? C major chord is C, E, G. D minor is D, F, A. E minor is E, G, B. F major is F, A, C. G major is G, B, D. A minor is A, C, E. Now dear friends, if you do not know how to do this, please comment in the comment section and I'm going to give you the link of the video where I explain this, all right? So these are the notes for each of the chord. This is C major, capital M, small m for minor, small m for minor, capital M for major. This is also a major and this is a minor, small m. Okay, so it's better to write M-A-J, you know? So M-A-J, M-A-J to show that it's a major. So C major is C-G, D minor is D-F-A, E minor is E-G-B, F major is F-A-C, G major is G-B-D, and A minor is A-C-E. So these are the chords for the C major scale. Now imagine if you had to transpose it to G major. So what would you do? All you have to do is, I'm going to see the distance between C to E. Okay, so what's the distance between from C to E? So it goes 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 steps. So it's 4 steps from C to E, right? So let's go from G. We have to go 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a G, B, and then from E to G, what is the distance? Let's go to E. 1, 2, 3 steps. So let's go from B. We found the B, right? So we go 1, 2, 3. So that's G, B, D. We found the chords. G major chord. Okay, let's find the next chord. Okay, so we have the D minor chord here. Let's not forget that from C we're going to D, right? So let's do that itself. So 1, 2. So same way, 1, 2. So we come to A. And let's find out D to F. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So A, 1, 2, 3. So we have C. And then we have F to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to F to, in this context it's going to be C. We're going to go 4 steps, right? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 steps. So let's go from C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have E. And that we need to apply it for each of the chords, right? So all you need is this progression of musical alphabets and apply these chords. See the distance. If you can know the chords, all the chords on the C major context, it's very easy to transpose to any of this. And that's why I would recommend that you learn all of the chords, whatever chord there is, the major, minor, the diminished, the half diminished, the suspended 2, suspended 4, the augmented, all of these chords, you should know it in at least in the C major context. If you know it in the C major context, you can apply it anywhere and learn to do the transpose. Okay, so this is the way we go about transposing. Let me quickly rephrase everything that we learned today. So imagine if the song has 3 chords, C major, F major and G major in it, but then you need to transpose the chords because probably you're not able to sing it on the C major scale, so you want to transpose it to G major scale. So what do? You're going to first take the notes of the chords. Okay, so it's going to be C, E, G, and then it's going to be F, A, C, and this is going to be a G, B, D. So what you're going to do? You're going to transpose. You're going to work the distances, the same distances. Let's first work out the distance of the chords. Okay, so C to F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go from G to 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have C. Okay, from F to G, let's see. 1, 2. So from C, let's go 1, 2. So we have D major. You got that? The same way you transpose the chords, right? The same way you're going to transpose these notes also. So for C, E, G, you can transpose like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And then from there it goes 1, 2, 3 steps. So 4 steps and 3 steps. So with G, let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, B, 1, 2, 3. So that's a D, right? So C major, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also FAC is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Again, 1, 2, 3 steps. So 4 steps and 3 steps. So C, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And then 1, 2, 3 steps. So Let me just bring this down slightly. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3 steps, right? So that same way, if you can work this out for all of this, then you're going to be able to get to transpose chords for any song that you want, right? So dear friends, I want you to work this out. Probably let me give you a homework. Let me give you a homework of transposing the C major, okay, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. Now these of it, why don't you transpose it to G major, D major, A major, E major. So that's about it, dear friends. So I want you to write this down and learn how to transpose chords from C to G to D to and on for any of the chords, all right? So cheers and God bless. Hey everybody, I hope you learned something new and informative today. And dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Dear friends, for more than a decade, I've been performing at different hotels, different performance concerts, and this experience I want to bring to anybody. Now, this music course is for regular people who want to learn to sing and play the piano. So if you are a person who wants to learn to sing and play the piano and you're not that great at playing the piano, you're not that great at singing, dear friends, I want you to take this up. It's a free music course. It's introductory level where you can get an understanding of what it takes. I'm going to show you what it takes to go step by step to be able to sing and play the piano. Welcome, dear friends. I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye.